What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have another update on Jasmy, which has not been performing too well, not just in the last 24 hours, but as you guys know, over the last few days and weeks it has been dropping in value. It is right now down 4%, currently valued at 0.023 cents. So we'll be going through what is next for Jasmy. Is it going to keep crashing down in value over the coming days, weeks and months? Is it going to recover? And essentially, what is the best option right now for Jasmy? Those of you who are looking to invest, or if you already invested and are holding on to it. But before I go any further, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at this chart here, we do have Jasmy as usual at the lower part of the Bollinger Band, at literally the lowest level on the green line. That is essentially where it is at the moment. The only reason we are seeing a green candle here is because yesterday it did drop below the green line here and it had to resist and bounce back up a tiny bit, and that's essentially what's happened there. Over the next couple of hours and days, it is likely to drop further down below 0.022 cents in value, so lower than where it is at the moment, hitting more red candles, and the Bollinger Band, the lower part here, is likely to drop further down. So if I show you guys here, this line is likely to keep dropping down in value at a slow and steady pace, and Jasmy is likely to follow a similar pattern, dropping down in value, is what my current predictions are, until around the first 2 weeks of February, where it should essentially slowly start to recover in value, is what my current predictions are on this crypto. However, it all depends on the crypto market, especially Bitcoin, how it performs, because there is an essential crash coming in February 2025, in the next month, according to online resources, which is not official as of yet. There will be more updates on that, but there is news that Bitcoin may have a little bit of a crash in February, but I'll get onto that in a future video to keep you guys updated. But at the moment, today's focus is on Jasmy. So I'm predicting it to recover by mid to late February, heading over 3 cents, potentially getting closer to 4 cents by late Feb, early March. So if we get rid of this and bring out the RSI at the bottom, we can see that it is very low guys, at 40.56 and 35.04. again, not as low as being undervalued, but it is pretty much getting there. It's a very low guys, so it should recover very soon. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm predicting it to hit a few more green candles. Right now, I know it's been major drops in value over the last 3, 4, 5 weeks guys, constant drops in value since the 6th of December, nearly 2 months now. As you guys can see, yes, we've seen peaks in between, but as you guys can see, the overall outcome has been more on the negative side, even though we have seen peaks in between, and a similar pattern is likely to carry on over the next couple of weeks going into February before a slow recovery. So if we get rid of the RSI and get rid of this chart here and zoom in into the hourly chart, so as you guys can see here on the MACD indicator, we can see that the MACD line is trading below the signal line and it is looking bullish. However, that is because it's only hit green candles over the last hour. So over the next couple of hours and days, it is likely to keep dropping down in value. Yes, green candles are likely to appear in between, just like what's happened here, but the overall outcome has been more on the negative side. So this is likely to carry on over the next couple of hours and days. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, the MACD line is still trading below the signal line, heading towards a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are predicted for Jasmy over the coming days. Towards the end of this week, early next week, it is likely to drop below 0.022 cents in value, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, heading down to 2 cents in the first 2 weeks of February before it slowly starts to gain value. Zooming out to the daily chart, is still looking quite bearish. However, I'm predicting this MACD line to cross over the signal line going into mid-February, which should indicate a bullish direction for the rest of February, March, April, May, heading in a bullish direction, getting closer up to 5 cents in value beginning of Q2 is what my current predictions are. However, as you guys know, Jasmy is a crypto that I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis, so if there are any major updates or news that come across, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, no major pumps are predicted. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume is up just around 9%, currently at $74 million, and over the week it has dropped 12%, and over the month a massive 27%. And as I mentioned in my previous updates, overall since the 6th of December it has lost a huge, near about 60%, which again is not looking too great. But yeah, that is my prediction on Jasmy. I'm not predicting it to head down to 1 cent, but a lot of you guys have given up with the crypto because of the way it has been performing. A lot of you guys are saying it's going to head down to 1 cent or lower than that by mid-year. Let me know what your thoughts are on the drop that's been taking place. Are you expecting it to recover? Are you expecting it to drop down further? Comment down below, guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.